Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your transaction history on Kraken. If you are using Kraken to trade crypto, keeping track of deposits, withdrawals, and trade activity is essential. Kraken provides a built-in transaction history section where you can monitor every activity on your account. First of all, launch open Kraken app on your device and log into your account. And from the home page of Kraken, go ahead and tap on the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your transactions page where you'll be able to see your activity, that might be your trades, orders, deposits, withdrawals, etc. If you don't have any transactions made yet, you'll see this empty page over here just like mine. And that's how you check your transaction history on Kraken. You will now be able to monitor your activity, verify deposits or withdrawals, and keep your crypto records organized. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.